Hello everyone and welcome back to 01 Eta. In this video, I will introduce you to Picoclaw, which is an alternative or let's say a clone of openclaw. Both openclaw and Picoclaw is an AI assistant that runs on hardware. In this case, Picoclaw can run on hardware which is cheaper than your lunch. This thing boots up in less than 1 second according to the table provided here. It's completely written in Go, which means it takes up less than 10 megabytes of RAM space, and it can run on any Linux powered board. More interestingly, this thing is made 95% using AI agents. So most of the code, 95% of the code is written by the AI itself. So imagine, it's wild that most of the code was generated by an AI itself, and it's built by another AI. That's incredible. Picoclaw is quite easy to download and install on your smartphone, or any kind of IoT device which is Linux powered. And let me show you quickly how it can what it can be useful for. So you can do full stack engineering if you provide an API key. You can also do logging and planning management using your Discord application or the WhatsApp. You can also do web searching and make your Picoclaw learn on the fly. And as I mentioned, this is my favorite topic. It can run on old Android devices, and this is what we are going to do now. Um, I have already downloaded Termex, and if you are a follower or subscriber, and if you are not, then please do. Then you might have seen my previous videos where I converted my old Android smartphone into a surveillance camera that I can control using my Discord application, and it takes pictures of my surrounding and use it to showcase what is going on within my house. Anyway, if you have already downloaded Termex, all I will do is copy this, go to my Termex, and I already downloaded Picoclaw just to see if it is running. But in your case, you just have to copy paste and let it run. Of course, a disclaimer, in my case I already have downloaded Picoclaw, and I can say for a fact that it is working quite well. So you don't have to worry about anything. Just download your Termex from F-Droid, not from Google App Store, from F-Droid, and then run this application. Okay, it gave me an error message that Picoclaw Linux is not available. Maybe I don't need that. Termex, okay, yeah, I might not need that because it's ARM64. Anyway, once you do that, you will be presented with Picoclaw on board, and it will ask you to do some changes to your config file. I said no, but even if you do, let's try it. I'll say yes, and here we are. Now we are ready to go. And then you have to provide the API key, and the way to do and test your API key is you go to this path, you copy it and paste it here. You're presented with this application. Like currently it by default it can run GLM 4.7, but you can change it to any application or any models that you like. In my case, I like to use Olama application, so you can navigate all the way down and you can see what kind of Olama model can work well. And as shown here, Llama 3, which can be downloaded from Olama repository, it can work quite well. So you have a lot of options, but if you don't want to use Olama, you want to use Gemini, just provide the API key as you can see here and here. Oops. You can also provide API key to DeepSeek and also OpenAI. Let me see where it is. OpenAI is all the way to the top, I guess. GPT 5.2, and this is where you have to provide your API key. Once you do that, you're good to go. So yeah, this is a very exciting low-end clone of openclaw, which will work quite well in your IoT devices. In the next video, I will try to show you how I'm running Olama on my old Android device. It's going to be very slow, but regardless, I'll just show you how it's done. That's it for now. This is a very quick and quick video on using Picoclaw, and I hope you like it. Subscribe and let me know what I should make a video next for. Bye.